My wonderful viewers and subscribers, I hope that you're all doing well. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. If you're new to this channel, I'm Sandy and welcome to Sandy's Lifestyle Cooking. I'll be sharing with you my quick and easy curried coconut chickpeas. I hope you'll enjoy it. First, I'll be heating the pot. And I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I've been doing this so long that I just estimate my 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Allow this oil to heat before adding 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Two tablespoons of curry powder. And we generally say allow the curry to burn. But what is happening here is that the curry is being heated and gets a darker color. Once you have a darker color, you allow it to cook for a minute before adding your remaining ingredients. So now that this curry is a little darker in color, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onions. 1 and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onions. Allow this to saute. Also, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic and my Scotch bonnet pepper, finely chopped. This is ½ teaspoon of finely chopped Scotch bonnet pepper. The aroma is so good already. Just allow it to cook until the onions are a little tender. So we're allowing this to cook for approximately 2 minutes. Now I'm adding the chickpeas, which was rinsed and drained. And the purpose for rinsing the chickpeas is to remove the sodium preservative that was used in the preparation of the chickpeas. So here we have a nice curry color. Allow this to saute for 2 minutes. The chickpeas will absorb the flavor of the curry, onions, and garlic. And I'll allow this to cook for 2 minutes. In the interest of time, I've already cooked some bulgur wheat, which I'll be serving with the curried chickpeas. So now that the curry is being cooked, the chickpeas has absorbed the color and flavor, I'll be lowering the heat and add 2 cups of coconut milk. Okay, now I can increase the heat and allow this to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of Maggi all-purpose seasoning and allow this to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, now that this chickpeas has been cooking for 7 minutes, the water has been reduced to a nice coconut curry sauce. I'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom. Cardamom is a spice, a very aromatic spice, which gives an additional kick to your curry. And you don't have to put cardamom in there, but I like the taste that it gives. So 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom. Sometimes I add a little turmeric, but not for today's recipe. So allow this to cook until simmer, and then I'll be sharing this meal. So we just need it to simmer a little more for about 3 minutes to absorb the coconut flavor, and then we're ready to serve. We have our reduced curry sauce. It smells so good. I'm gonna turn off the flame. I have it on low, and I'm gonna turn off the flame and plate this meal. Okay, so now we're ready to serve the chickpeas. I molded the rice. Take my time and add the coconut curried chickpeas in the center of the ring. And there you have it. Curried coconut chickpeas. This is bulgur wheat with mixed vegetables. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll try this recipe. I'm sure that you will enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Please remember to like, comment, share, and if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider making this channel your home by clicking the subscribe button below. Until next time, catch me in my next video.